Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to update T248 firmware. Begin by confirming your current firmware version in Settings, then download the correct firmware file from the manufacturer site. Backup important data to avoid loss, and ensure your device has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Close all apps, connect via USB or Wi-Fi as instructed, and follow on-screen prompts to complete the firmware update safely. Before you start, create a full backup of important files and settings to an external drive or cloud. Make sure the firmware file matches the official checksum to prevent corrupted installs, and update any companion software or drivers first. Turn off battery savers and pause automatic sync so the update isn't interrupted. Keep a stable internet connection if the update pulls additional files, and set aside at least 30 minutes for the whole process. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long update sessions, with a leak-proof lid and easy one-hand sip that keeps you focused. I've linked the bottle and other deals in the description, so check it out if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by connecting the T248 using a quality USB cable or a stable Wi-Fi link if supported. Launch the firmware installer and follow each prompt carefully, granting permissions when requested and choosing the recommended options. Do not disconnect or power off the device during the install. This can cause permanent issues. After the process finishes and the device reboots, check the settings to confirm the firmware version updated successfully, and test core functions briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.